my name is Cameron. I'm a female to male transsexual, and I recently undergone top surgery thanks to Jaime Schwartz and his fellow staff members. I first came out as trans about like 5 years ago, and I didn't know like what it was exactly. I didn't label it as trans because I was just like, I feel like there's something wrong with my body, there's something wrong with my state of mind, I don't know what to do, because I was like, is this the right decision? I'm throwing all my relationships at stake, all of my family connections at stake. I'm just like, you know what, I'd rather be alive and alone if I lost people than dead and have, again, no one. So it was like a double-edged sword kind of, but I was like, I have support, which is the best part about everything. Like regardless of what happens at the end of the day, it's just nice knowing that there's someone else in your life that cares, and now I finally feel comfortable being who I am today. So yeah. I had I forget what it's called, like a periola or something, and it's basically for smaller chested men, and it required barely any scarring and not a lot of downtime. Like I was up and like walking like right when I woke up from surgery, so and I was barely in any pain as well, so that's also a plus. Pretty amazing. Like I didn't think I would ever get this far in life to be able to get top surgery because it's so hard, like just trying to find a doctor alone. So knowing the fact that there is a way to get to where you want to be in life is so just like awe-inspiring. I don't want to say it's the final thing because like people are like forever growing. I guess as far as transition, I still thinking about bottom surgery, but I don't know. It's sort of expensive and it's not, I don't know. I'm flippy floppy about it, that still. But as far as I am spiritually, I think I'm where I want to be. Like I still have a lot to learn about the world, but I'm finally content with like how I feel in my skin. I don't feel like dysphoric about my body anymore. I don't feel like I have something to hide. I don't feel like I need to present an image, because there's been times where I wouldn't even leave the house because I didn't feel comfortable in my own skin. So it's nice to know I don't have to worry about that anymore. I think the best part is not having to wear the stupid binder anymore, because that's the most constricting, uncomfortable thing you will ever have to wear, in my opinion, because it literally feels like a belt is like tightened around your chest all day. And so to be able to breathe and not worrying about like getting heat exhaustion and all that like medical stuff is just such a relief, because I have like a super labor intensive job where I have to like lift a lot of stuff. I work out in like 120-degree weather, so the fact that I don't have to worry about that anymore is just a huge relief on my like, yeah. It's been a really amazing experience because I've seen other doctors to like get their opinion, and like some of their offices just felt like a revolving door, just like, all right, next, like kind of busy, what do you want? Like that's what it felt like. That's not what they said, but here it kind of felt like everyone introduced themselves, everyone told me what they were doing. I was up to date on every bit of the step of the way, from like my insurance being handled to my disability getting handled. Like every detail was just covered. If I had a question, they had an answer. It was just wonderful. I loved it. I would tell them, if they've been thinking about it for a really long time and it's something that they really want, like just go for it. Like don't let other obstacles try to get you out of the way, because my obstacles have always been like time, money, you know, what's gonna happen with my job and stupid things like that. Like don't even worry about it, because it gets handled in the end. Like if you want to dream, like just go for it, because your happiness is what matters too. So that's what I kind of told myself.